hypotenuse.
Look at this. It's a popsicle now.
A Snapple apple, but I put it in I put Kool-Aid in here.
What?
Put it in the freezer.
What?
Good.
What?
And that was like a little icy.
What? Guys, what are you doing?
And I see.
What? You see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who wants to try some?
Oh, let me try it. Let me try it. Let me try it. Let me try it.
Oh, so hold the camera.
Hold the camera.
Hold up. Let me.
Give me. Give me.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
I want some.
You got gophers on the couch. Uh-oh.
Oh, you want some?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here, what's this? Hold on, give it to her. Give it, stop, give it to her.
Now give me. Darling, you don't want some?
Whoop.
Mmm.
It tastes like popsicle.
Give me our goldfish.
We cannot eat this all. So we cannot. Alan, can we close it? Oh,
Shower
it's the
high
top.
on hot
Alana, if you froze it tomorrow, it's going to be a candy.
We'll never be like try.
It's gonna be so good.
Look, hold up. I think I can get this out. Go get a black cup. Go get a cup.
So, I'm gonna go get a cup. Because on my sister mom, he made it. He told me to get it. You know, I've never seen black cups again. Maybe it's so I can't find that. But it's just my stitch. I couldn't find no black cups. Oh, that's up.
Coming out. Hold up.
Okay. Listen, let me hold the cameras. Let me hold the
I
cameras.
want to see it.
Let me hold the cameras. You're blocking it. Unless I just actually block the cameras.
Coming out. Here, I need to rip this apart.
So. Ooh.
Ow. Take it out.
Take it out?
Yeah.
Oh, you cannot take it out? I want to take some. I'm holding the camera. Guys, give me some.
Wait.
I'm holding the cameras.
It won't come out, bro.
Alon, get it put in there.
Here, drink it. Drink it.
I'm serious. Put it in there.
I can't take it out.
because it's frozen.
Oh wait, where's this phone?
Oh, let's have. Get it down. I like that.
From the left, find myself close to you. No.
That was somebody. That was somebody. Oh. Oh.